Hello there, kindergarten friends. It's Miss Hess here. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're doing well. You know, it is beautiful, beautiful weather right now, right? We are kind of at the tail end of spring season, and we're heading for summer very soon. So, in honor of summer, I bring you this book today that's called Summer Supper by Ruben Pfeffer, pictures by Mike Austin. And this book today is brought to you on behalf of the letter S. You're going to see lots of words that start with the letter S. Summer Supper. On the back cover it says, "See Summer Supper Step by Step." Here we go. Letter S. Are you ready? Buckle up. All right. Here we go. There's our title page. Title pages have the title, the author, and the illustrator if there is one for that book. Shovel soil. Sow seeds. And we see they name all the S words in the pictures. So that's string, sticks, and sun, right? What does it mean to sow seeds? Let's look at that picture up close to get an idea. To sow seeds means to plant them, right? It's to dig a hole, put the seeds inside the soil. Okay, sowing seeds. Sprinkle, sprinkle. And our S words in this picture we have snail. Okay? Snail. Sprout, shoot, stalk. Okay? So that's a little sprout, shoot, and then we have the stalk, right? So all our S words here say scrumptious. That means delicious. And then here we have the little worms underground that say squiggle, squiggle, squirm, squirm. And then stem. So that birdie's saying scrumptious, which means delicious because he's getting a worm out of there, right? Yep. Scarecrow, surprise! And now all our S words, squawk, squawk, sunflower, squawk. Lots of S words. Snip, snip, snip. So that person is strawberry picking, right? Snip, snip, snip. We can do strawberry picking right outside of Heidelberg. I think you probably noticed that. People go over there and pick their own strawberries. Sample, sell. And look at all of these S words this time. Sweet, strawberries. Spuds. Another word for spuds is potatoes. Spinach, sale, and scale. Okay? Lots of S's. Slice, soak, shuck. What does it mean to shuck? Well, that is when you pull the leaves off of corn. We call that shucking the corn. Shuck. Okay, kind of cool. Sizzle, swirl, swish, saute. And when you saute something, you cook it in like this skillet. It's a certain kind of pan. Okay, so we have skillet, stove, steam, secret sauce, and salt shaker. Wow, that's a lot of S words. Sprinkle, spice, stir, salad. Shake, shake. I bet you guys can read those words. Sprinkle, spice, stir, salad. They're nice big words that I bet you can see, even on the computer, right? Sniff, sniff, smell. And this word says succotash. So that is, it's like a dish that you can make. Actually, I probably said that wrong. It's called succotash, I do believe. I think I said that a little bit wrong before. Succotash. Suffering succotash. Silence. Why are they being silent there? Why do you think? Right, because they're holding hands and saying a prayer of gratitude, right? Thank you for this wonderful food. Really nice. Share summer supper. And look at all of those S words. Serve, sausages, starving, sippy straw, slurp. Share summer supper. Shimmy, shake, sing. And this is shaboom, shaboom. Making music. Shoe. Scrub, save, store. So that's sponge, soap, and stack. So they're cleaning up after their meal, after their big summer meal. Sleepy, snooze. Yeah, what do we like to do after we have a big meal? Sleep, right? So then all of our nighttime S words say stars, Saturn, space, super shark, snore. And that is the end of our book. Oh, this was a surprise. Shh. Snack. I guess they got up in the middle of the night and had a little snack. And that's finally the end. Did you like your summer book that started with all the words start with the letter S? I hope you liked that book. I felt like a snake saying all those words. All right, kindergartners, you have a good week, and I will see you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.